Hello students, I hope you are doing great. Dear students, we have started derivative and today we will do derivative of a function in the form of fx raised to the power gx. Fx raised to the power gx, okay, and we suppose it is equal to y either in the form of y is equal to ux raised to the power vx. So how will you solve such type problem of derivative? We will use the concept of logarithm here. We will use the concept of log here. Now, and log with the base e. Log with the base e. For example, we have x raised to the power x square. You know, it is a function of x. It is also function of x. Means fx raised to the power gx, or you can say ux raised to the power vx. Okay, so how will you solve? We suppose it is y. Now we have y is equal to x raised to the power x square. So we will apply log to the base e on both sides. Okay, log e y, log y to the base e, same here, log x raised to the power x square of base e. Okay, now you know log have one property in which power of the function change into multiple of whole function. Means log fx raised to the power gx is equal to gx into log fx. So same here, log y is equal to x square into log x. Here log e, you can say base e. If we don't write, then no problem. Okay, it is understood. We here base e. Log y is equal to x square log x. Now you will apply product rule, quotient rule as according to property. Okay, now here derivative of log y, you know 1 upon y, and derivative of y is dy upon dx. Same here. Now we have two functions, first and second. Okay, so we suppose first as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. So x square dy by dx of log x 1 by x plus log x as it is derivative of x square 2x. Now you can cancel x plus 2x log x. Okay, and here 1 upon y dy upon dx. Now y here divide, so in right side change into multiply. So dy by dx is y into x plus 2x log x. And what is the value of y? X raised to the power x square. X raised to the power x square. So our answer is x raised to the power x square plus 2x log x plus 2x log x. So it is the derivative of x raised to the power x square. Dear students, listen again. If we have a function in the form of fx raised to power gx, meaning here x, or in power also x, then we will apply log on both sides with the base e. Log e y is equal to, you can say log y to the base e equal to log x square to the base e. You know property of log, power in multiple, so x square dot log x. Now log y derivative 1 upon y, y dy by dx. Here you will apply product rule. Okay, so by using this process we can find out derivative of this type problem. Now let us see next example. Now next problem is y is equal to x raised to the power log x. Y is equal to x raised to the power log x. So it is function of x, it is also function of x. So we will apply log on both sides with base e. So it is log y to the base e equal to log x raised to power log x to the base e. Clear? Now you know power convert into multiply. Okay, so log x into log ex, and here you can say also base e. Okay, so it is log x, you can say log x whole square, log x whole square. So log y is equal to log of x whole square. Where it is natural, so we can write directly. Okay, log y is equal to log x whole square. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of log y 1 upon y, derivative of y dy by dx into here first derivative of power. So 2 into log x raised to power 2 minus 1 into dy by dx of log x. So it is 1 upon y dy by dx 2 log x, and derivative of log x 1 by x. Now dy by dx is y in multiply 2y log x upon x. Now what is value of y? Value of y is x raised to the power log x and into log x. Okay, it is our solution of the function y is equal to x raised to power log x. Now next example, y is equal to sin x raised to power x. Now you can see it is a function of x, it is also function of x. Okay, so we will apply log on both sides with base e, means log y is equal to log sin x raised to the power x. Now log y, here x in power, log का प्रॉपर्टी क्या करेगा, यहाँ x को क्या ले आएगा मल्टीप्लाई में, x log sin x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Log y 1 upon y and y dy by dx, x as it is, derivative of log sin x first as it is, derivative of second. So log sin x 1 upon sin x, but derivative of sin x also plus log sin x into derivative of x is 1. Now here y in divide, so in the right side it will change y into x upon sin x, derivative of sin x cos x plus log sin x. Now you know value of y is sin x raised to power x into x, cos upon sin cot x plus log sin x. Okay, now it is the solution of the function sin x raised to power x. Similarly, you can solve sin inverse x raised to power x, x raised to power cos inverse x by using log on both sides with the base e and using product rule. Oh, clear? Now next problem. Now y is equal to sin x raised to the power x. Here you can say sin theta is x raised to power x. So dear student, यहाँ हम चेन रूल भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. मीन्स if we suppose it is z, means y is sin z and z is x raised to power x, x raised to the power x. If y is sin z, so here dy by dz is, you know, derivative of sin z cos z. But in case of z, z is equal to x raised to power x. So it is the form of fx raised to the power gx. So we will apply log on both sides, means log z equal to log x raised to the power x. Now log z, now power x change into multiply. ओके, ये आपका डेरिवेटिव का कंसेप्ट नहीं है, ये log का है. log के पास ये प्रॉपर्टी होता है, यानी प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉगरिथम इज, जो पावर होगी फंक्शन की वो कहाँ ले आएगा, मल्टीपल में, मल्टीप्लाई में. सो log z is x raised to the power x into log x. Now differentiate derivative of log z 1 by z, and z is dz upon dx. Here two functions, so we will apply product rule. Now x is as it is, derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x as it is, derivative of x 1, cancel. So dz by dx is z in multiply, here 1 plus log x. Now what is the value of z? Value of z is x raised to the power x. Okay, and here dy by dz is value of z x raised to the power x. Now we will multiply both according to chain rule. So dy by dz into dz by dx is equal to cos x raised to power x into x raised to power x plus 1 into 1 plus log x. Cancel. So dy by dx is cos x raised to power x into x raised to power x into 1 plus log x. Now the same way you can keep in mind derivative of x raised to power x. derivative of x raised to power x is x raised to power x into 1 plus log x. Suppose our question is derivative of cos x raised to power x. So you can do it directly also. You know dy by dx is derivative of cos fx minus sin fx into dy by dx of fx also. And you know derivative of x raised to power x is x raised to power x into 1 plus log x. Okay, you can do direct also. Now next problem. Now we have y is equal to sin x raised to power cos x plus cos x raised to power sin x. Dear student, you know property of log in multiply or in divide means log mn is log m plus log n, and log m by n is log m minus log n. So here we have y is equal to fx plus gx. We suppose it is fx, it is gx. Either you can say u and v. It is u and it is v. So we have two functions or in addition. So we cannot take direct log on both sides. ऐसे केस में प्लस और माइनस के केस में अगर आपने डायरेक्ट log ले लिया log y is equal to प्लस माइनस b, तो ये रॉन्ग होगा, कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं आएगा. क्लियर? सो आप ऐसी प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सोल्व करेंगे? नाउ वी सपोज आवर प्रॉब्लम इज y is equal to sin x raised to power cos x plus cos x raised to power sin x. We suppose y is equal to u plus v. First u, second v. Now differentiate with respect to x. So our dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay. Now what is u? U is sin x raised to power cos x. Sin x raised to power cos x. तो ऐसी प्रॉब्लम को आप कैसे सोल्व करेंगे? टेकिंग log on both side. So log u is equal to log sin x raised to the power cos x. And you know property of log, power convert into multiply. So log u is cos x into log of sin x. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. Log u 1 by u and derivative of u du by dx. First and second. First as it is, derivative of second and plus second as it is, derivative of first. You know du by dx is equal to u in multiply. Now cos x as it is, derivative of log sin x, it is 1 upon sin x. It is the derivative of log sin x. Now again derivative of sin x, cos x plus log sin x, and derivative of cos x minus sin x. So our du by dx is u. What is u? Sin x raised to the power cos x into cos x, cos by sin cot x minus sin x into log of sin x. Okay, it is derivative of u. In the same way we can differentiate v also. Our v is cos x raised to power sin x. So we will apply log on both sides. Log v is log of cos x raised to power sin x. Now sin x in power to convert into multiply. It is property of log, not derivative. ओके, ये log की प्रॉपर्टी से कहाँ आ गया? मल्टीप्लाई में. अब आप डेरिवेटिव स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log v 1 upon v and derivative of v dv upon dx. Here two function, so we will apply product rule. First as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. So dv by dx is v multiply sin x, derivative log cos x 1 by cos, derivative of cos x minus sin x plus log of cos x, derivative of sin x cos x. Now what is value of v? V is cos x raised to the power sin x. Now minus sin x, sin by cos, tangent x plus log of cos x into cos x. So it is our dv by dx, it is du by dx. Now dy by dx, you know dy by dx is sum of du by dx plus dv by dx. दोनों को आप प्लस कर देंगे. ओके, तो सच टाइप प्रॉब्लम जब आएगी आपके पास u प्लस v या u माइनस v, तब आपको इंडिविजुअल लॉग लेना है. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट, टुडे यू विल ट्राई प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ derivative of the function in the form of fx raised to power gx, either ux raised to power vx. Okay, stay home, stay safe.